Today's featured car of the day is a 1961 Pontiac Bonneville convertible. This one I filmed at my local classic car collector auction in Palm Springs, California, where it bid to $55,000 but did not sell. And I'll read the consignor's comments. He had multiple award winner, 1961 Pontiac Bonneville convertible. Top of the line for Pontiac in 61. Body off restoration with less than 2,300 miles since completion. Original rebuilt 389 cubic inch V8 with 4-barrel AFB Carter carburetor. Super hydromatic transmission, 4-speed. Petronic solid state ignition. Rare aluminum 8-lug rims with spare 8x14 bias ply white wall tires. Bucket seats and rear bench and Pontiac tricolor vinyl. Power windows, power convertible top, power steering, power brakes, courtesy lights, clock, heater defroster, push button radio, passenger grab bar, padded dash, remote mirror, tonneau cover, 8-lug spare with original jack and detailed trunk, beautiful Coronado red paint with gold accent emblems, subtle hand pinstriping, deluxe Bonneville trim, full set of Pontiac floor mats, California car, registered in Oregon for tax purposes only, museum quality restoration, runs and drives excellent. Now, the only thing that might hurt him out of that description there was the 2,300 miles. Because when you do a frame-up restoration or body off or any kind of restoration, as soon as you drive it, you drive the value right out of it. So it probably would have brought more if it had 0 or a few restoration miles on it. But it was a real nice car anyway. It was the 61 being the third generation of the Bonneville, which went from 1961 through 1964. And as far as the 61s go, total Pontiac production for 1961 was 340,635 cars. And out of that, 69,323 were the top of the line Bonnevilles. And out of that, 18,264 were convertibles. So this is one of 18,264. But it's a nice car, and all these full-size Pontiacs from the 60s were real nice cars. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1961 Pontiac Bonneville convertible. If you made it to the end of the video, thanks a lot. I appreciate it, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.